Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix error 0x80004def1. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys right here in the picture, this is how the error looks like. Can't sign in into OneDrive. There is a problem with your account. Sign into OneDrive.com to learn more and fix the problem. So basically guys, you will have this error if you exceeded your OneDrive storage. Your account will be basically suspended. So if you guys want to fix this problem, go ahead and sign in to OneDrive.com. So just go to the search bar on your browser and then go ahead and type OneDrive like this. And then go ahead and hit enter. Then go ahead and click on the first link right here and then just wait for it to load. Then click on sign in and sign into your account, and then you're gonna be right here. So basically guys, once you're here in this page, as you can see guys, if you go here to the bottom, you're gonna find how much storage you use. You probably will find your storage full. So basically guys, there is two solutions for this problem. The first one is going to my files here and start deleting the files that you don't need to free up some space, or you can just go ahead and click on buy storage. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find three offers: basic, personal, and lastly family. And then you can buy storage for your OneDrive account. Just click on buy now and then just add your payment method, add it, and then you're gonna be able to buy storage and your problem will be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.